Hi everybody. The purpose of today's video is to plot the time domain signal and its discrete version using the command subplot in Matlab. So let's get started. First of all, let's draw two signals or two waves different. First of all, let's define the time. The time I will try to define it in t. T is equal to 1 to 10 with the increment of 1. And on the other hand, I will use y is equal to sine t as a function of my t, and now what I will do, I will plot z is equal to 10 t. So there I have two graphs. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to use the command of subplot and plot their real and time domain or discrete versions. So first of all, what I will do, I will say subplot. I will use 2 cross 2. It means that we have 2 rows and 2 columns reserved for plotting the graph. So if you understand this way, let me explain this. Let's suppose we have a time domain signal. So suppose we have this type of graph. I want a square over here, so I will use this. So what does 2 by 2 means? That we have 2 rows and 2 columns like this one. So what I will have 4 parts where I can plot different graphs. So here is just a row 1 and row 2, C1, column 1 and column 2, and the last thing will be my location. So I want to plot the first graph in this box. So okay, so I did this. So it reserved the space over here, and what I will do, plot the graph of PLOT. On the x-axis I have 10, the y-axis I have y. So it will plot the graph like this. Now let's move to the first row and second column. So I will first of all reserve the space like this, and I will use 2 because I want to plot the graph over here. So I have location 2 to plot the graph, and I reserve the space. As you can see, here we have a blank graph. Now put the data in it, plus x in z. So we have the plot of z. Okay. Let's plot their discrete version over here. So I will use sub plot 2 cross 2 as same, and now first, second, and third place. Okay, so he reserve the space over here, and then I will try to draw the discrete version of the signal by using the command stem. And on the x-axis I have t, on the y-axis I will have y. Actually, I'm using t for the variable, and I have different values in discrete domain. So here I have the discrete version of this. Now we have the fourth and last part. We're gonna try to, okay, this is done. Let's move the fourth pad. Do the same thing, sub plot, and subline 2 cross 2, and this time I will have on the fourth. So I have a blank matrix. Let's put that in it. I see STEM, again the command for for the discrete signals, and this time I will have z. So here we have the time signal of sine, and here I have a discrete version of 10 samples. Here I have a 10 wave, a 10 function wave, and here I have its discrete value. So I can label this x and y and z axis, and change the width of this from here, or let's change the color of this, maybe red, maybe its width or its density up to 2. So we have over here, let's do a little bit more trick to see this thing like this. So that was all about today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.